Let me use my arm to break this wall. It'll flood the whole area. After that, I can wall off the waterfall for myself. Then I'll drain all the water from the base. Next, let's build an army barracks to train soldiers for my use. Now, one of them can go and wall off another portion of the map. The red idiots are trying to do the same. After walling it off, I can drain the water. It's time to build a few more army barracks. Boys, let's grab more map space for our base. Nice, there's a gold deposit right here. Let's wall it off. The red dudes are trying to attack my soldiers. One guy can't handle them alone, so the rest of the team will help him. Nice, all the red idiots are defeated. Let's use these walls to connect to their base. Now my base is twice the size.